Hood niggas. He's like, man, this shit right here is killing hip hop, man. This shit is garbage now, man. Who the fuck wants to listen to this shit? I was like, man, you know what? That's why I'm on MF Doom. He's like, yeah, man, Doomsday. I got this shit. Operation Doom.
Damn.
You know what? You're right. I'm going home and listen to this shit right now.
I know that's right.
I was like, word. Niggas is tired of this bullshit, motherfucker.
Day 12, we're still at it. I'm playing through bullshit.
Like, what the fuck, nigga? You can't even speak correctly.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? How long you think this shit gonna fly, man? First of all, my whole shit with that shit was, this used to be a situation where if your ass wasn't motherfucking absolutely dope, you was getting booed the fuck off the stage. Niggas want to try to hear that shit. You had to come with it.
I know that's right.
You had to come with it to get the fuck out the way and be somebody's hype, man. Shit.
Say if you wasn't good, you could be somebody's hype, man.
Well, look, check it out.
Yeah.
It was that, but then it started being dope dealers and killers. There was motherfucking, rapping. And they wasn't that good. And they ain't need no motherfucking DJ. It was rap. It wasn't hip hop. It was rap. And then after a while, check it out. After a while, you ain't have to be a dope dealer or a killer. All you had to do is have a white man behind you.
Damn.
And an imagination, right?
Shit.
Fucking story.
Damn. You have a white man behind.
You know, I just
You can get in
there's
hip
no
hop.
integrity in this shit anymore. That's my point, man. There's no fucking integrity in this shit anymore. You know what I mean?
Those are not Bernard's drums. Look how nice they are.
Hey, look.
These are not Bernard's drums. Those aren't the sticks. None of that.
White man won't sign my
These aren't any of the drums that we have.
He no money.
This isn't. Those aren't his at all.
I put records out, motherfuckers call police. Hey, motherfucker. Straight up, though.
Hey, that ain't no good goddamn cracker motherfucker.
These niggas have lost their fucking minds, but I will say that. Seriously. They jumped the fence and still running, man.
Yeah, he never lied.
Girls get the money like curls, they just trying to get a nut like squirrels in this mad world. Land of milk and honey with the squirrels, where reckless naked girls get necklaces and pearls. Compliments of the town jeweler, left back now schooler, trying to sound cooler. On the microphone known as the crown ruler. Never lied to Mom when we said we found the moolah. $500-something laying right there in the street. Now let's try and get something to eat. Then he turned 4 and started flowing to the poor. That's about when he first started going raw. Kept the drawer with the drawer.
Damn, hey! Who's that? That's
why you're so stiff, you need a smoke more legend. Instead of trying to rip with the book war legend. Split it in, swore he saw a heaven in the seven. You know it, growing up too fast, showing up in class with my weapon and flash. He asked the teacher if he leave with his ass. His girl is home alone, trying to get the. If you wanna sip, get a pick your water fountain glass. How I'm supposed to know when your mouth been last? Hands so fast, he can outspin the flash. No more smoke a whole out in the ash. Old fast, we can do it with the stash. Shit smash, boom, cash. Yo, we still trying to tell us. Hold on like the sun on. Chase it all up anyway. Boy, you don't come around. You don't bring pride today. She told me, boy, don't look at on. He told her, I will rock this microphone. Always. I hold the mic. Like niggas on the girl's type, but I ain't after her. Probably get acting with pearl white, the 109. But many times I done hit it. This Mississippi one time from dimes in a prison. When you come off, I crash the barbecue like critic at the garden truth. That's the garden lead, calling you. Jeepers, I was told back to hold the access to my people. Call back my secretary, gatekeeper. Like I ain't beat by, so throw me in the super, though. You know the super, boy. Home. I had this style ever since I was a child. I got this over style, I ain't flipping a wow. It goes your scientific intelligence to one point of relevance. I've seen some styles move elements. And once the smoke clear elements, the super motherfucking villain nigga gets through all like the elements. 199 plus one of them, and with a float to pull a floor nigga foul from out in front of him. When we were told we had tons of fun, me and my guns and them, actual true living sons of them.
Give it a sec for the pain to start this wreck right here. It ain't for the faint of heart. They thought they saw the worst verse from the team of G-men who seemed like nerds at first. Once they get to know us, people dig us. Leaders in the fight for equal rights for niggas. The better of the more to enter the flow, no matter doubt it. Just go for it, you're ride it, or ride it. Whatever's clever, the master flow. For every hook or herder, but now hold no. We see tomorrow, the next day classes. The villain in the back with the x-ray glasses. Have no fear, the ninja here. Feeling like the ginger you hear from drinking ginger beer. When it's on local head, go on, they know and eat it like beef patty, cocoa bread, con queso. If you say so, makes the whole case slow. They say wear metal mask in case of fake show. It's on the close, bitch talking, ayos. This whole crew walk with pitchfork and halos. Say ho if you never worked the J.O. and keep more cash in the stash than a pay show. Okay, yo, y'all know who to follow. Time up in the crib and they place hollow. Oh shoot,
That's my own thing.
Wow, yeah, alright, man. Great. Bye. Get the fuck out of here. That was nice. Cut his mic off. Thank you. I am back. I am Wow, yeah, alright, man. Great. Bye. Get the fuck out of here. That was nice. Cut his mic off. Thank you. I am back. I am your host, Little Willoughby, representing the hood, goddammit, the little fat nigga who got money, so fuck you. Up next, we got the open mic poetry event. The 15th annual, sponsored by motherfucking Valentine, Cross Country Clothing, and a lot of whack shit that the hood will not wear anymore. We got my man up first, his name is Sam Buka. Give it up for Sam Buka, yo, come on! The mic is here, stupid. Come here, Sam.
This is the tone that I speak, the voice, the unheard voice.